आफ्टर द ब्रेक। मैं हूं श्रुति, मेरे साथ है
नील।
बस एक बार बोलो कि समझ आ जाता, 3 बार क्यों रिपीट करते हो?
स्टाइल है मेरा।
स्टाइल को छोड़ो, ये बताओ अपने टीचर से मिले कि नहीं?
केडी टीचर, मैं तो कोई क्लास ही नहीं गया था। I've always been an outstanding student.
या लेकिन एक ऐसी क्लास थी जहाँ तुम लोग जानबूझ के जाते थे और जानबूझ के ज्वाइन किया था।
ऐसा नहीं है, मेरी याददाश्त थोड़ी कमजोर है। हेल्प मी। ओह, 3rd फ्लोर वाली शर्मा जी की क्लास। वहाँ पे लड़कियाँ बहुत आती थी। That's why I used to just go and watch them, not to join in.
तुम्हारी डांस क्लास?
Oh, शामक दावर वाली?
Yes, he was in Dubai. Did you meet him?
I obviously met him. In fact, मैंने उनका इंटरव्यू भी कर दिया. Obviously, he's a tot. Has to be on the tot show.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah! Follow Kashmira. Oh my God!
I'm a director naturally because, you know, when you choreograph, I don't think of only choreography. I think of light, sound, sets, costume design. Because there's nobody, I don't have, you know, Manish Malhotras or Vikram Fatnises or whatever to design for me. So I have to design the costume myself, the colors myself. I've designed the properties myself, the sets, the design. So I think choreography for me is more directing, you know, the whole story about it. So that's what I do.
And who doesn't know about Shamak Davar, the national award-winning choreographer boss? दिल तो पागल है से लेकर धूम 2 and then रब ने बना दी जोड़ी। सारी की सारी हिट फिल्में, hit music and obviously a super hit choreography.
And not to forget the stage shows, जहाँ पे भी आपको dancers awesome dance करते हुए नजर आए, that has to be Shamak's troupe.
And behind the glamorous side of Shamak Davar, he definitely has a human side too. He wholeheartedly supports special needs children.
I think the role I love to play is to be more than any singer, dancer, actor, choreographer, director. I think to be a humanitarian, because for me, human work with people, as in being human to people, I think that is the way I serve through the instruments of singing, dancing, acting, and
From dancing to gaming, एक चीज जो नील बिल्कुल नहीं भूला होगा, and that is
Deal 2012. Some amazing gaming fun we had that day. Obviously ये तो बताएंगे आपको, लेकिन ये भी खुलासा करेंगे दुनिया के सामने कि चांद पे जाने वाला सबसे पहला इंसान कौन था?
Well, me and Shruti are at Deal 2012. That's at the Dubai World Trade Center, the arena. And believe me, this is nothing short of a playground for both of us. Shruti?
Absolutely. In fact, यहाँ पे आने के लिए in fact हमको थोड़ा सा सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ा. It was all worth it because यहाँ पे इतने सारे fun rides, joy rides, amusement rides हैं कि बस मजा आ गया.
Tot has come to Deals 12. We are the World Trade Center, the arena, and with me is Mr. Nabil, the CEO founder of Deal. Sir, Deals 12, the 18th edition. What one should look forward when they come in here?
We should see more companies coming in with innovative product. I think this is a very important show. It's the only show for us. We're gonna, as you see, the arena is packed, and next year they're talking about expanding it. So we are very optimistic about it, and we think the industry needs more input from other companies, and we welcome this.
ऐसा है, चाहे मेरा स्कोर 7,200 आया हो, but I'm sure, Neil, you can't beat that.
Well, मेरे अंदर का सुपर नील अगर जाग गया ना तो ये मशीन टूट जाएगी, इसलिए I'm controlling myself, okay?
Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, 3, 2, 1. Now that was 9,800. ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. If you see, if I can score 7,200, 9,800 for Super Neil is okay.
मैंने कहा ना मशीन नहीं तोड़नी है मुझे, वरना तो तुम्हें पता है कि मेरी ताकत कितनी है.
We'll see in the next game.
We will.
इनफैक्ट मैं सोच रही हूँ कि इसमें से क्या चूज करूँ. One is going to be this, one is going to be this, and one this.
Laminail is the world's first and only nail art vending machine. So it's a vending machine that does your nails. You can choose from 1,000 designs and have that printed on your nail all in less than 1 minute. You can also take a picture of yourself or your best friend or girlfriend and have that printed on your nail in amazing clarity.
Today here at Deal 2012 हम आपको रिवील करके बताने वाले हैं इस दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी मिस्ट्री राइट हियर ऑन टॉट. आपको पता है कि ये जो नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग सबसे पहला इंसान बना था जाने के लिए ऑन मून, ही वाज नॉट एक्चुअली नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग बट इट वाज आवर वेरी ओन Neil from Tot. That is talk of the town. What? You don't believe me? Check this out. He's Neil, and he was the first person to go on moon. Yes, believe me. Neil is just back from the moon.
Thank you so much. It was very tiring. कितना लंबा डिस्टेंस था, वहाँ से मैं यहाँ तक आया हूँ.
Excuse me, चांद तुम्हारे पास खड़ा है.
बकवास करना बंद करो.
So you saw how much fun we had. इसीलिए कह रही हूँ नील कि अगर आपको DL 2013 जाने का मौका मिले तो जरूर जाना, चाहे किसी जुगाड़ से यानी कि मीडिया के पास से या फिर ट्रेनर की आईडी से, लेकिन जाना जरूर. You will have loads of fun.
Just like you had lots of fun watching us on this show. आपके comments and feedback के लिए facebook.com/TOTTSHOW यानी कि Tot Show.
Until next time, it's me Shruti and Neil signing off.
The Tot Show with Radio 4, brought to you by Danube in association with Sanford and Swiss Arabia.